It's fun time in the kitchen. Come join me. Let's have some real fun. My name is Anita. I'm a Dutch-Kiwi and oh, I so love to cook and bake. Here are the ingredients for a zucchini loaf. 360 grams of all-purpose flour, teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of allspice, 1 cup of packed light or dark brown sugar, in fact 220 grams, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 3 beaten eggs or frothed up eggs with 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 240 ml of vegetable oil, 3 cups of grated zucchini, 1.5 cups of chopped walnuts, and all that will be mixed together and baked in the oven for a lovely zucchini loaf. Combine the vanilla, the eggs, the oil and the sugar. Mix light and fluffy and then add your zucchini. Add the wet mix to the flour, baking powder, baking soda. While mixing the wet with the dry, the smell or the odour of the spices are really coming to the fore. Just lovely. Right, nearly all stirred in. So it's time to add the walnuts. Now, just a very light stir. Just make sure that they're well covered in the mixture. And then you're done. It's ready to go into the baking tin. Now, I've baked a zucchini loaf before, and so this time what I've decided to do, I'm going to add some sunflower seeds to the tin on the base, and I'll sprinkle some on top just for that extra crunch. Right, just checking. There we go. Dry. Another one. Also dry. That can come out the oven now. There's the base with the sunflower seeds. I'll just turn it over. Oh, it's hot. Here we are. And I did find the baking tin a bit too full, so I poured some into my small heart-shaped cake. I can give that as a present because I'm actually going visiting, and I'll take some yummy cake. Well, here is my ginger and lemon cup of tea and my slice of the loaf. And as we all know, it's all in the taste. So I'd love to share this with you. I have some little slices of fresh ginger and a slice of lemon in my cup. And right next to it, of course, my slice loaf. Now, I like the end bit. It's nice and crunchy. So here goes. Don't mind me. Not bad at all. So yummy. Taste the flavours. Now, I'm really pleased. I added a bit of extra ground cloves. It lifts the flavour, makes it just a bit richer, and I didn't chop the walnuts too small. I hate it when they disappear into a particular dish or whatever. I like to taste them, the crunch. Right, have a sip of my tea so I can have another mouthful. Oh, that's refreshing. Cleanses the mouth too. So I can have another mouthful and see if it was just as nice as the first time. So here I go. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm happy. I'll use this recipe again. So I hope you enjoy it. Have fun with it. And if my recipe doesn't work, you'll find out it's not actually my recipe. I found it online. Preppy's Kitchen. I will put his link below because I did adapt a wee bit, which you'll notice in the ingredients. Not a lot, but just I did my own thing. And you can always try his instead. Well, I'm happy. And I'll be making it again. Bye for now, and it's all about the taste, people.